You can create ebooks with Canva and ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT and create a prompt. Look at my own. I want to write a book about social media marketing. I want this book to teach people how to write copies, how to create captivating content, and how to leverage social media marketing for business. Can you write me a table of contents? And now I have a table of contents, which is the most important thing. Next, I'll copy everything and head over to Canva. And when I go to Canva, I searched for ebook multiple pages. Look at all the numerous options that were brought out for me. I'll just select one. The one I chose had 11 pages and I applied them all. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to edit this cover here to create my own ebook cover. Next, I'm going to edit this content and change it to my own content, the one that ChatGPT created for me. Because my content is too long, I'm going to cut some parts, duplicate this content page, and paste it on the second part. I'm sure you can continue your ebook creation from here, but if you can't, I have a course that will help you. The link is in the description below. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and see you next time.